As a car owner, you sure know the importance of regular vehicle maintenance, especially concerning oil changes. Maintaining fresh, lubricating oil in your vehicle is crucial for the overall performance of your vehicle. Fresh, clean oil not only boosts your car's performance, but also prolongs the engine's life. So, it's surprising to see many people wait to change their oil until a problem becomes apparent. Many drivers measure the need for an oil change primarily by mileage, but other variables also play significant roles, such as the type of oil you are using, the oil's quality, the vehicle's age, and your driving habits. New, clean oil enhances your car's efficiency by lubricating moving parts and maintaining a clean, high-performance, and efficient engine. Over time, oil degrades due to heat, friction, and contamination by dirt and combustion byproducts. This can thicken the oil and reduce its ability to lubricate engine parts effectively. When this degradation starts, your vehicle will probably show one or more of the warning signs that we will discuss soon. So, let's get to them. Signs of an overdue oil change. Decreased performance and efficiency. One of the first things you will notice when a car needs an oil change is a decrease in the vehicle's performance. The engine may feel sluggish and will seem to struggle more than usual during driving and acceleration. This is because old oil isn't as effective as new oil when lubricating the engine parts, causing more friction between the moving parts. You will also see a noticeable dip in fuel efficiency. So, if you find yourself filling up the gas tank more frequently, it might be a sign that you need an oil change. So, what are the consequences of ignoring oil changes? Well, first you have increased engine wear due to the high friction from the engine parts, rubbing against each other, leading to increased wear and tear. The next consequence of ignoring oil change is reduced fuel efficiency due to thick and old oil, which creates more drag inside the engine, leading to a lower gas mileage. Lastly, engine failure can occur if you ignore the oil change. In severe cases, ignoring oil changes can lead to engine overheating, seizing, and ultimately, engine failure. High mileage. If you've driven your car for long and have covered lots of miles in the last month, consider whether you need an oil change sooner than your normal schedule. Every car is different, but most of them have their oil changed every 3,000 miles or 3 months. However, new vehicles usually require a change of oil every 6,000 miles or 6 months. Check your owner's handbook for specific guidelines. Consider a high-mileage oil for older vehicles. Unusual engine noises. A healthy engine runs quietly. When you hear knocking, rumbling, or any new and unusual sounds coming from under your vehicle's hood, it often means the oil has degraded. This is because old, dirty oil can't cushion the engine's components as effectively as it is meant to. These sounds are an indicator that your car's engine is not operating optimally and that the oil needs to be replaced. Dirty or dark oil. Regularly checking the oil condition through the dipstick has become a habit for many. Clean, healthy oil should be amber in color and somewhat transparent. As oil ages, it collects particles from the engine and becomes darker. If the dipstick reveals dark, black, or gritty oil, it's a definite sign that you are overdue for an oil change. Oil change or check engine light. Most modern cars are equipped with an oil change light that illuminates on the car's dashboard to remind you when it's time to go service your car. Sometimes the check engine light can also come on if the oil reaches a critically low level or its condition triggers engine trouble. You should take these alerts seriously, as they are often accurate indicators that your car needs professional attention. Exhaust smoke. A little vapor from the exhaust during cold weather is normal, but if you notice smoke coming out of your car's exhaust pipe, it's a cause for concern. This could indicate that oil is leaking into the engine combustion chamber. It's not just a sign that the oil needs changing, it may also suggest that there are more significant issues at play. Oil smell inside the car. If you ever smell oil inside the car, it's a strong indication of an oil leak. The smell may be accompanied by smoke, or it may not. Either way, smelling oil in the cabin means that oil might be leaking onto hot parts of the engine or exhaust system and burning off, which definitely warrants a quick response. Remember, these signs are your car's way of communicating its needs. By responding promptly and ensuring your car gets regular oil changes, you're not just prolonging the life of your car, but also enhancing its performance and safety on the road. As you've experienced, a little attention goes a long way in automotive care.